Hello, Norlik P. I am Kozhelov Damir. I will talk about 3D printing. Let's go. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making three-dimensional solid object of virtually any shape from a digital model. 3D printing is achieved using an additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. 3D printing is also considered distinct from traditional machining techniques, which mostly rely on the removal of material by methods such as cutting or drilling. Subtractive process. 3D printing is a limited type of industry that is capable of carrying out an additive process under computer control. While 3D printing technology has been around since the 1980s, it was technology not until the early 2010s that the printers become widely available commercially. The first working 3D printer was created in 1984 by Chuck Hull of 3D Systems Corp. And since the start of the 21st century, there has been a large growth in the sales of this machining, and their price has dropped substantially. According to Workers Associates, consulted the market for 3D printers and services. It's all. Thank you.